So, ayan, last September 2025, 6 years wedding anniversary namin ni Andrew E. Ayan yung gift ko sa kanya. Tara, tignan natin yung reaction niya. Ayan na! Happy wedding anniversary, my love! Ayan, super late kasi nga biglaan yung pagkawala ng aking mother. So, tingnan natin yung reaction ni Kuya Andrew E. nyo. Yan. So, 6 years wedding anniversary namin ni Andrew E. Noong September 20, 2025. So, yan.
Thank you, baby. That's lovely and sweet.
May pabasa pa.
Thank you.
So, ayan. I-open niya na po ang ating regalo. Oh, paano yan? I-open niya na. Sorry, my love. Super late. Hindi niya pa ma-open. Ayan na. I-open niya na. Ten, 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 ten.
It smells nice, whatever it is.
Ayan na po.
They're wrapped this well.
Think so. I think so.
So it's composite full of that. Hello. Mr. Chanel Bleu. Mr. Chanel Bleu, bleu, bleu.
And that's the new one.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah, that's the new one.
Thank you.
Welcome, my love. I love you. Yeah, I love you, baby. Tuwan-tuwa. Tuwan-tuwa si Andrew. Ipakita natin. Ayan siya. So, ayan yung bagong pabango sa perfume ng
I'm going to wear that later.
Chanel. Bago yan.
I'll put it on.
Medyo ano yan. But, yeah. Ang bango. Oh, yeah. It's nice. That's the new one, baby. It's really nice smell, no?
Smell it.
Yeah. Yeah.
I bet they sprayed the tissue or something to keep the smell around it.
Mm-hmm. Ayan na.
L'exclusive Bleu by Chanel.
Ayan. Oh! Yabang.
Oh, yeah.
Bango na.
Well, this is better than Hermes Terra.
Tera Hermosa.